welcome to Resin Art Ireland. You may have seen this piece on Instagram. I posted it last week. It's a 60cm MDF round in blues, white, gold and some nice crystal effect here on the bottom. Unfortunately, when this piece cured, I discovered that some bubbles had formed underneath the surface that I had missed, giving it a less than perfect finish. So in order to restore this, it will now need to be sanded down and another layer of resin put on top. When I'm sanding down a piece like this, I use 80 grit sandpaper and literally just sand the piece and then I use just a regular kitchen wipe to clear off the dust. Now I usually run my fingers across the surface just to make sure that I haven't missed any spots that will make the piece of resin uneven. No, I think that's fine. Now you may think I've ruined this piece because now it's all covered in scratches, and but I assure you when the next coat of resin goes on this piece it will be perfect. So follow me for the next installment of this video where I will show you how to mix some resin and how to pour it over this piece. Slán.